in different settings, like with your friends, with your teachers, in the conference. So it's very important that whatever you are talking, other people are able to comprehend. So you have to give them little time. That's why you should speak slowly so that other people have time to digest it what you are talking about. Good. All right. I see Akshar is here now. Akshar, hi. Hello,
Good
Akshar.
evening.
How are you?
Good evening, sir. Namaste.
Namaste. Let's give few minutes to everybody to join. In the meantime, we can do a small talk. How is the weather in India right now?
Sir, it's
In the,
good, but it is very heated.
okay. Very nice. Um, how is the weather in Pune, Pankaj?
Very nice. I have seen last few days rain is came in Pune.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Right now, it looks like everywhere is the nice weather. We have also very nice weather now.
Yes, sir.
Winter, winter is finally gone this week.
Right. So today Akshar joined from Darbhanga and Mayank joined from Madhubani. Right?
That's good.
Yes, sir.
I
So
think also.
Mayank also try to convince your friends to join this session regarding science. This is really
Yeah.
very good. They have sorry, it's a network issue. I think will join soon.
Okay, so I think we can get started. We
Right.
give few minutes to people to join. So let's see if Mayank or Akshar, you guys have any question, or if you guys want to talk about anything which is in your mind. So you guys can talk about it.
Yes, Akshar, you have anything to say something?
No,
Oh,
sir.
whatever in your mind.
No, sir.
Did you read the news that Americans are going back to moon again? Did you hear about it?
No, sir.
Yeah. So you guys have to read something. Yeah, this week, Americans are again going to moon. Already, they are in the flight right now. I think they have already uh, almost there. I guess, right? Let me see what is the latest news. Hello, Daisy.
Namaste, Uday sir.
So yeah, so you guys have to watch a little bit news here and there also what is happening in the scientific world. Yeah, this is the big event in this week that NASA, after very long time, is sending another mission to moon.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening to everyone. Amarnath ji, please continue. Yes.
No, I was asking about that. Did kids know about the NASA mission this week? There are four
No,
people, four astronauts going to the moon again.
Yes.
Yeah, that is the scientific news of the this
इधर
side here.
वॉर भी चल रहा है, उधर रॉकेट भी जा रहा है.
Yes,
I
sir.
think war is now almost right done, right?
Is it so? I don't think so. आपको लगता है खत्म हो गया?
I see it is winding down. I mean, that's how it appears here, at least. Trump the signals of has, so basically, you know, he will do last few things and then that's it. He doesn't like to dwell on one thing forever. Trump had Trump is like a child, you know. He get bored with one thing, So whatever toy or project he's doing, so what is there left to destroy in Iran? I don't know.
Actually, there is a media which is playing a big role here.
Yeah.
So in India, maybe it could be the Iranian this thing. They are saying that a lot of missiles and drones are still there. More than 60%. They are still with Iran.
Well, don't trust
While
in. Yeah.
so it's very difficult to say. No, I think, but now the American intelligence also has confirmed it that they still have a huge stockpile of
Yeah.
missiles and
They,
drones.
no doubt they will have it, but it's not like the 60% is intact. That's too high a number. Yeah. I mean, it's a huge country. They can hide it at many different places. And
Hmm.
although Americans are very good at keeping track of everything all over the world, doesn't matter. They know in India how many things we have at different places. You may not know, but in American CIA knows how many planes we have, how many this have we have that we have. I mean, they're very good at that. So I'm surprised that. Uh, I mean, the problem they have is that they cannot send the troops. There is a very strong sentiment that whatever you do, you cannot send the people over there. In and still, Americans' lives have been lost, but no boots on the ground. That is kind of red line here. So, so let's see.
It's a very complicated war as it appears now, I think.
Yeah, everybody's paying. I was watching a news bulletin yesterday, someplace in the YouTube, and on the Pakistan. It seems that Pakistan is next door to Iran, and Pakistani people are paying the highest gas price at the pump right now in the whole world. So there was a media talk on that one, that we are next to Iran, and then they're saying that even Bangladesh is lower than us. So, so, so the gist of that one is that Pakistani media, Nazam Sethi is a very good talker. I like him. I watch his shows, Nazam Sethi. So it was his show. So he was saying that, let's say that, for example, that
Sir,
really because of the things have gone bad. So say, let's say the cost should increase about 10% right now. So then पाकिस्तानी गवर्नमेंट थिंक दैट अरे तो अभी तो 10% है लेकिन अभी तो वार चल ही रहा हो सकता है थोड़ा और बढ़ जाए तो 15% से तो बनता है तो 15% जो है हम बढ़ा देंगे प्राइस और उसके बाद ऑफिसर्स लोग बोलते हैं नहीं नहीं इसमें थोड़ा सा आपको अननोन रिस्क जो अभी नहीं जानते हैं वो भी ऐड करना पड़ेगा ठीक है भाई 25% कर देते हैं तो इस तरह से हम लोगों ने क्या किया है पूरे पाकिस्तान में जो है गैस की प्राइस अनरीजनेबली बढ़ा दिया है वहां पर तो लोग सवाल पूछ रहे हैं कि व्हाई इट इज सो एक्सपेंसिव नाउ आई मीन सडनली यू हैव गॉन फ्रॉम होल वर्ल्ड वो कंपैरिजन था कि इसने इतना बढ़ाया उसने बढ़ाया यू गाइस आर कंप्लीटली आउट ऑफ वैक इतना बढ़ा दिया है तो किसी दूसरे ने कहा कि बेसिकली देयर आर ये क्या है वो पैसा किससे लेते हैं इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड तो कुछ उनके भी काम उनको करना है तो उसके लिए पैसा चाहिए so that's why they thought this is a very good opportunity to tax the people थोड़ा सा गैस के बहाने ले लो तो उस पर बोला गाली पड़ेगी तो बोली कि उस पर कोई बोला कि गाली तो 10% में भी पड़ने ही वाली है 15 पर भी पड़ेगी तो 25 पे ही पड़ेगी तो क्या हर्ज है ले लो 25 लगा दो गाली तो सुनना ही सुनना है so that's how it's so what is impacting gas how much prices have gone in India in Calcutta let's see you guys
Zero,
have
zero, zero.
no increase yet in the
No,
gas pump
no
sir,
increase.
Sir,
Okay,
Huh?
let us hear young people now.
Yeah.
Who is this? Akshar?
yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, what is it that you want to say?
Um, uh, Sir, we have a technology that lets control devices with our hand movement by tracking our hand.
So, what is that technology?
Sir, we can just like if we want to move a cursor in a laptop, we can move it from our hand movement only.
Oh,
So no touching required, huh? That's what you are
Yes,
saying.
yes, sir. Only move your hand and then your work is done.
oh, is it so? I don't know.
Yes, sir. It's very new.
Okay. So, Akshar, have you heard about the new Artemis rocket which has gone to moon?
No, sir.
Oh, you haven't heard? No,
No,
there are
sir.
lots of in the newspaper and so. उदय जी आप क्या जानते हैं इसकी क्या खासियत सब है?
नहीं, मैंने उतना उसको किया नहीं है। अब तो बेसिकली ये इंडिया लैंड कर गया, कर गया तो वापस मून का सिग्निफिकेंस बढ़ गया है। नहीं तो बीच में तो पिछले 50 साल से मून के बारे में लोग चर्चा ही करना बंद कर दिए थे।
हाँ, इसमें मैं जो जानता हूँ, this what has happened is that Chandrayaan 1 gave a signal of that there is water on moon, and that Chandrayaan 1 also carried independent measurement by the American spectroscopic methods. They had in the same India also carried water test for the water, and also USA separately, independently. And both came out that there is water. That was Chandrayaan 1. And Chandrayaan 3 confirmed it. So now there is an increased interest in that there is water. But I haven't understood how does Artemis only thing they say that the rocket is going to go furthest from the Earth for the first time. That is all the credit. But I think they are testing the Artemis rocket actually for the next
Yeah.
moon mission.
Yeah, you are right. Actually, they are trying to see that in case they have to move to that place, whether they can, because uh, launching a launcher or human being, when crew are involved, the transit time has to be less. The Indian rockets took fairly long to reach. They are low powered, so they have to see something which is high powered, can reach faster. Movement from one place to another could be shorter.
Right. But the media is, and also NASA is also telling that for the first time, any human beings will be so far away from the Earth. So they are testing some of those equipments. This far, how it's going to work and all that.
Maybe, but I don't know. My understanding is once person is outside the Earth's ecosystem or environment, thereafter it really doesn't matter them how it's going to be different. Obviously, there is no data to back what I'm saying. It is my own perception. So whether they are in International Space Station or they are closer to Moon, the impact on physiology should be the similar because there's nothing different is going to happen.
May not be biology. They are going to be 6,000 kilometers far from Moon. Earlier missions they used to be nearer to the Moon, and this one. So they want to test all their electronics and everything. I think the communication systems and all that, because this far no rocket has gone up till now. That is what I read in the newspaper. I need to go into more depth.
No, you are right. Every time when there's something new which is being tested, it has to be better and more complicated, sophisticated than the previous one. That is the basic premise of any experiment. That once you reach a particular threshold, you want to break the next barrier, break the next barrier. Now, regarding water on the moon, when they say water is there in the atmosphere in a frozen state, and water all over the place, including Earth, has come from outside, then it had could have gone to any place. It's only that whether the environment is conducive enough for them to preserve that water, or the water either freezes or evaporates. Something happens like this. So the finding water at moon is not very surprising, because the same thing which has happened to on Earth can happen to any heavenly bodies, including moon. The only thing is, in what state that water is, can the water be or the frozen water can be converted into, if it's frozen, it can be converted. But if it's evaporated state, then you can't do anything. Like in case of Venus, they say the temperature could be around 900 degrees Fahrenheit, around 450, 500 degrees Celsius. So there's no way water can ever exist in that place, because temperature is so high.
Yeah. Yes, we have Arnav also. Arnav, hello Arnav.
Yes, Mayank, please say something about yourself.
Oh, his
Once
name is
again.
Mayank. Yeah, it's okay.
Yes.
Hello Mayank, please introduce yourself.
My name is Manja. I am from class 6. My school name is Union Secondary School. I live in Stadium Road, Madhubani. My mother's name is Chanda Devi. My father's name is Ratan Jha. I am 13 years.
So you're in class 6.
Yes, sir.
So you're studying in an English school? Are you studying in an English school or in a Hindi school?
Hindi school.
Okay, okay. So are you reading science also?
Yes.
So what is it that you're reading in science?
What, sir?
What are you reading in science nowadays in your school? अभी आप साइंस में क्या पढ़ रहे हैं स्कूल में अभी?
The new session will start. I am not just purchased the book.
Okay,
Okay.
so you completed fifth standard, right, Mayank?
No, sir. Just I am in 6. Where
No,
I
just
will
you
go
care.
to 7.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
So
he'll
just
go to
so right now you are in studying class 6. So you completed class 5, right? Left it, I think is the network issue. I think a lot of times joined and okay. Yes, Akhtar, you have any other question?
No, sir.
So you are also studying class 6.
No, sir. I am going in class 6.
Okay, okay. Same as
Sir,
like.
I take my books and admission today.
Okay. So Akhtar,
good.
can you say in class 5th in science subject which chapter you really love and which chapter you really think that no, it's a really very hard to understand? Can you say something regarding this?
Sir, my favorite chapter in science is parts of plants. I can say parts of plant.
Okay.
And the worst chapter is parts of plant also.
My God, both. It is the best and the worst, both.
Yes, sir. I love to study parts of plants, but I cannot understand parts of plants.
Oh. So Pankaj ji, I think for Akshar we need to bring a biology person.
Yes, yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, Mayank. Hello, Mayank. It's the same question for
Yes, sir.
you. You completed class fifth standard, right? So in science,
No, sir.
which
I complete class sixth standard.
Oh, he
you
has
And
completed?
completed
I
six. He is
in
going to
class
seven.
seven session.
So now you are in studying class seven from
Yes, sir.
first April. Okay. So in class six, regarding science subject, which chapter you really love, and which chapter you think that
Our
is
solar
so
system.
hard? Okay. So can you say something regarding solar system?
Yes, sir. Our solar system has eight planets and one sun. The planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These eight planets are in our solar system, and Pluto is a dwarf planet in our solar system. Our galaxy is the Milky Way galaxy. The distance from Earth to Moon is 384,403 kilometers. So it's done, sir.
Very nice. So which chapter you really feel that it's so hard for you
Yes, sir.
in class six in science subject? Which chapter you think that yes it's so hard for you to understand?
No, sir. No hard chapter in class 6.
Okay, all chapters you completed in easy way.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Aryan, it's the same question for you. Which chapter you love in science?
Sir,
Last.
I am Rudra. Aryan is uh, in the tuition.
Okay, he is busy in other class. Okay.
No,
So
no. So you.
Rudra, I think it's your first session in science, right? So can you say something about yourself?
Uh, my name is Rudra Kumar. My father name is Naveen Kumar. I am 10 years old. I study in fifth grade. Uh, my school name is Sacred Heart Senior Secondary School. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. Thank you.
Oh, so Rudra. So Aryan also teaches you also,
No, sir.
but
Both are brothers. Both are brothers.
yeah, so whenever you face difficulty, you don't ask Aryan that why don't you help me?
Sir, sometimes.
Acha, okay. So okay, so in class five, so what did you learn in ma'am yeah, which Pankaj ji was asking, which chapter was the good one and which was the bad one in science?
No, sir. I am going to fifth.
You are going to fifth. So in class four, you don't have science books.
Sir, yes, I have.
What was that? So which was a good chapter and which was a bad chapter?
Safety on road.
Oh my God.
Sir, it was a short chapter, so
Oh,
I love it.
oh, because it was short, so you liked it very much, is it?
Yes, sir.
Very honest answer. And difficult chapter कौन सा था?
Uh, sir, our environment.
अच्छा, that was difficult. So, Mayank, in your case, what was the bad chapter and what was the good chapter in your class six?
The all chapters are good, not bad.
So you understood everything.
Yes, sir.
So you have understood also why there is a day on earth and why there is night on earth, is it?
So it is not in a chapter.
Is?
Lifted. I think it's a network issue. Don't know. Yes, now join. Yes, yes, Mayank.
Yes, sir.
What was the chapter? Science. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So what was a good chapter in? Oh, so you said all chapters are good. So you have understood everything in class 6.
Yes, sir.
You didn't face any difficulty.
No, sir.
So in say in biology, what was the subject that you learned in class 6?
So all subject, sir, only one book, science. It has
Achha,
no
only
biology
one.
and it is.
Okay, so in biology, what was there you learned in class 6?
How does the plants grow?
Oh, so why don't you tell us how does a plant grow?
Yes, sir. When
Yeah,
a
tell us.
seed germinate in
Akshar wants to know actually.
what, sir?
Akshar wants to know that how a plant grows.
Okay, sir. The
बताइए.
the plant grows in soil with the help of water, sunlight, chlorophyll, or carbon dioxide. A plant absorbs water and nutrients from soil, and it grows to a small plant. Seed grow in a small plant, and a small plant make its food by the process of photosynthesis, and sometimes it was made made a big plant like shrubs, herbs, and trees, and it gives and this process will repeating in daily like the photosynthesis. It's done, sir.
What is photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis is the process of a plant to make their food by
Okay.
the
What is the
by the
process?
help of water, nutrients, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, and some part of oxygen.
Oh, so all that you need is oxygen and water, is it?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा. और उसका नाम है फोटोसिंथेसिस. तो फोटो माने तो लाइट होता है. Why there is a light word in that?
So I didn't still understand.
Acha, okay. So Akshar, have you understood now how the plant grows? No, but
Yes,
yes. So Mayank, actually the light falls on the leaves, and then it converts to food actually. Therefore, its
okay.
name is photo, no? Photosynthesis. So you should revise that chapter once again, and you learn quite a lot.
Okay, sir.
And then in chemistry, what did you learn? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What did you learn in chemistry?
M- Magnet.
अच्छा, मैग्नेट तो फिजिक्स में हो गया. केमिस्ट्री भी कुछ पढ़ाई हुआ होगा ना? What atoms, molecules.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what is atom and what is molecule? हाँ बताइए, जल्दी जल्दी बताइए.
केमिस्ट्री में स्टेट्स ऑफ वाटर पढ़ाई हुआ है.
अच्छा, एटम मॉलिक्यूल नहीं पढ़ाया हुआ है.
नहीं.
अच्छा. तो तो वाटर के बारे में क्या पढ़ाया गया है?
When do we water? When do we
बताइए बताइए.
When do we take water in freezer? It comes on freezing point 0 degrees Celsius. It will make solid. The molecules of water can be closely packed in the particles of solid. When we take out the solid water to room temperature, it will be normal. Loosely packed particles in liquid.
Okay.
When we heat the water, it comes on 100 degrees Celsius at the boiling point of water. It comes in gaseous form. In gas, particles are far away from each other. It
Mm-hmm.
cannot be seen, but we can feel the steam or heat of the water.
Okay. Acha. Acha. Now we have Sudhir. Pankaj ji, he is new, I think, isn't it?
Yes, join. Yes, others. Please say something about yourself. Is others.
What is his name?
Others. Hello, others. Please
Hello,
unmute.
others.
Others lefted. He joined from.
वो
He
नहीं,
joins
कुछ
from
इसको प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है.
network. Yes, yes, sir. He joined once again. So right now we have Rudra, Mayank, and Akshar.
So, Rudra, you have any question you want to ask?
Hello, Rudra. Aryan has always question, right? So learn with your brother. Hello, Rudra. Please talk.
Yes, sir.
You have any question regarding science?
No, sir.
Why? You
Uh,
understand? Every Saturday we live regarding science.
yes, sir.
अच्छा,
So this is
Sudhir
very
has
good.
joined. Others
Yes,
has joined once again.
yes,
Hello, others.
yes. Others, please say something about yourself.
Okay, sir. My name is Adarsh Kumar. I am 11 years old. I read in 6th class. My father name is Mr. Sudhir Jha. My mother name is Mrs. Sapna Devi. My school name is MCD Primary School. My teacher name is Aarti ma'am. My favorite color name is red color. I have done, sir.
Okay,
So,
so right
Yes,
now
sir.
you, one second. So others, you completed class fifth, right? So in class fifth, which in science subject, which chapter you like, and which chapter you think that is so hard? Can you say something regarding this? Hello, others.
Yes, sir.
Yes. In class fifth, right now you are in studying class sixth, right? So you completed class fifth standard, right? So in
Yes,
class fifth standard, in science subject, which chapter you like, you understand, and which chapter you think that it's so hard for you? You have remember? You can you say something? In class fifth, in science subject, you have anything remember? Which chapter you completed? You are in Delhi, right? Others,
yes, sir.
you have remember class fifth chapter name in science? You have remember in class fifth science chapter, first, second, or last, any chapter name in science subject?
Sir, 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Okay. Yes, Aryan, this is same question for you. In last class, in the last, you are in right now in seventh class or yet?
Sir, 8.
Eight. So in class seven, regarding science subject, which chapter you really love and which chapter you think that it's so hard or you have trouble? Then after you understand, yes.
Sir, I don't think so that there is the hardest, that the chapters in 7th were very hard. But I think so is acid bases and salts were was a little too long, and that caused me a little problem.
Aryan is fit for class 8 also.
Right.
So, Aryan, how come your brother told just now that you have gone to the tuition class?
Yes, sir. I go to tuition uh, every day at 7 p.m. and come home at 8:30.
Oh,
So on
so
Saturdays
you,
I usually come earlier at 8.
but you take tuition in which subject?
Sir, maths and science.
Oh, but already you
Yes.
know them, I think. So why you need a tuition?
Sir, for higher syllabus.
So, so your teacher teaches you higher class things in your tuition thing?
Sir, not right now because some students are not coming to tuition because they are on vacation. I think so.
Okay,
So my school is opening on Monday, 6th.
So Aryan,
okay.
can you say something regarding why you need tuition? Where is school needs to do something more? What's your opinion? Where is lacking in school? So
Okay,
parents
so
need maximum parents needed to tuition, tuition, tuition. Doesn't matter Kashmir to Kanyakumari.
okay, so right now for 8th the NCRT books have changed. The government has issued Ganit Pariksha books. They have two parts, and I think so that they are a little easy, and uh, that the previous NCRT books were more suited for the students. So, for understanding the higher concepts which are not in the book, I go there.
So your tuition teacher teaches you according to the syllabus, or he teaches you out of the syllabus things?
Okay, so first we complete the syllabus, and then after that we do that.
Oh, I see.
Okay, sir.
So there was in class 7 something was there that you felt any chapter which you felt was very difficult for you?
Sir, physical and chemical change was a little more hard because it had chemical symbols involved.
See, symbols, so you see, every time we can't write oxygen O, X, Y, G, and so people have invented symbols.
Yes, sir.
So there is nothing to understand in that. You have to just memorize them. There is no way out. This one.
Yes, sir.
But physical and chemical changes are quite interesting subject actually.
Yes, sir.
What was in that chapter that you felt you did not understand?
Uh, Sir, now I've understood everything of that chapter.
Mhm.
Uh, but I think so. Memorizing the symbols was the biggest one.
Oh, that
Uh,
is true. Yeah, but once you practice it, no, you'll remember it forever, I think. So, and if you go in the research line, you don't have to remember because always the book is in front of you.
yes, sir. So, uh, sir, I had a few questions.
Yes, go ahead.
So, sir, like in nuclear fission, what happens that if an heavier element grabs an extra anything like a neutron, it breaks uh, uh, into two more atoms. So, uh,
Two or more. Remember, it's not only two, but it could be more than two also.
Sir, I didn't understand that part, and what I understood of it, it's like when that uh, when that neutron enters the nucleus, it is also holding on to the fellow particles with its strong nuclear force. So that means it should reinforce the others, and I also think that it can be visualized as a raindrop. If I add a more water to the edge, it will just break down. So it means that the neutron is getting three or four interactions, but the atom is then unstable. So I think so. I thought that of it. So is there any other reasoning?
No, reasoning is very simple. Like, say, suppose you have got a helium atom, say helium nucleus. So two protons are there and two neutrons are there, helium 2.
कर
Now you add one more neutron, it
नहीं
is no more stable.
हाँ तो छोड़ो फिर मारो बोले
The most stable structure is that two neutrons. If you add one more neutron, the nucleus becomes unstable. So
Yes.
similarly, you have the nucleus, all the nuclei, there is the stability keeps on increasing and decreasing by addition of the neutrons.
Okay, sir.
You have got different radioisotopes with different half-lives.
अच्छा
So, sir, if I add an extra proton, will that also do nuclear fusion?
So sometimes it can do, sometimes it can absorb and sometimes it can do fission also, yes, if
Okay,
it
sir.
becomes unstable. But in case of uranium 235, so if a neutron is added, it becomes unstable. And in fact, then it emits on the average 3 neutrons. On the average, means some nuclei may eject 2 neutrons, some may eject 4 neutrons, some may on the average, but on the average 3 neutrons. So that
Okay.
is the basic principle of the reactors. So one neutron it goes, it starts, then the nucleus will emit three. So three now will excite other three atoms.
Then,
So that is how the chain reaction takes place in a reactor or in an atom bomb also. Atom bomb
okay.
also the same reaction takes place.
So,
There is chain reaction takes place. And very fast. The chain reaction is very fast. That is how the atom bombs are made.
so,
A
so,
reactor also is a kind of atom bomb, but in which there are cadmium rods are there. So they insert inside the nuclear reactor to absorb the neutrons so that the number of neutrons are reduced so that the chain reaction doesn't happen.
okay, sir. So, sir, what happens
A
in nuclear
reactor is
fusion?
more difficult than making a bomb.
Okay. So, the atom absorbs an extra particle and then it breaks down into two and then it releases neutrons, right?
Yeah, depends. It may break. If it adds to the stability, then it won't break.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Now, today I have one question. What is the time now? 8:58.
Sir, 846.
8:46. So when you see every day in the morning sun rises, does it rise in the same place every day? How many young people are here? One is um,
Sir, I think so. The sun rises in different spots,
Why?
sir,
How do you know that? How do you know that?
because
No,
the
no,
things
you're
are.
thinking, but have you seen it? That sun
Yes,
rising in different spots, you have observed it?
yes, sir, I think so.
Any proof you have that it rises at different places?
So, sir, what are your arguments that it does not rise in the same place?
No, no, I do not give the, you have to give the argument that you say, you're saying, you're saying that it rises in different places.
Yes, sir.
Your friend, what does he say? His name is, hello,
Akshar?
hello, Akshay.
Yes, sir.
Does the sun rise at the same place every day and set at the same place?
Yes, sir.
Oh, acha, you see, Aryan, you have got an opponent. He says that it rises at the same place.
Sir, the sun and the earth are moving. The earth is in.
No, no, let us ask the other third one is there. You say, he is Mayank. Hello, Mayank. Mayank. अच्छा मयंक तो
Hello, Mayank. Please unmute.
Yes, sir.
oh yeah, Mayank is here. And then so does the sun rise in the same place and set in the same place or in different places? What do you observe?
Hello, Mayank.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you want to say something regarding this? You have.
No, so you don't have to answer. Try to observe that what happens. Does sun rise at the same place or in different place? And now let us
No,
hear
sir.
what answer Aryan gives. Aryan already has an answer. Let us see whether he is correct or not. Yes, Aryan, go ahead.
Okay, sir. Uh, so, sir, the earth and the sun are moving through space, and each day the sun and the earth are pulling on each other, and so it means that every day, even on the same time, like 8 p.m., the the space, the place that we were a day ago was not the same, and uh, the mm, and the sun is also moving, so that can uh, that means that it will have a different position each day.
Sorry, I didn't get it. The sun is also moving, the earth is also moving, so they will come at suddenly at different places. Is it
Yes,
so?
yes, sir.
Acha, no, why don't you make an observation and come with the answer next week? You try to make observation in your house itself that is the sun coming at the same place every day? Is it
Sir,
sitting
I
at the
know
same
it
place?
does, but I can't explain it.
Yeah, no. The best way to understand things is to be able to explain it. Then only people will know that you have understood. Otherwise, you don't get marks, you see. Yeah, it's true, you might have understood, but then you are not able to explain. So you have 7 days time. Go ahead. Do you have any other question?
Yes, sir, I had one.
What is that?
So, uh, sir, like, how will a proton get to an nucleus? I did not understand that because the protons are also repelling the protons, positive like charges repel each other.
That is if the speed is less, it cannot get into it. So that
So
is the reason why we need accelerators. Where I was working, it was an accelerator. So we used to increase the speed of the proton by almost to the velocity of light, almost, not equal, but almost. And then the proton used to
No.
enter the nucleus and
Hi, good evening.
used to
I'm on
break it.
another call. Just give me 10 seconds. I'll
Yes.
just cancel that thing and I'll just call you up. It's okay. Give me a 2 minutes at least. Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, okay. Thank you.
so
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 that is the reason why you have to give speed to the positively charged. With
yes,
neutrons, you don't have to do it.
because
Neutrons can enter with a very low energy speed, can enter the nucleus.
yes, sir. So
But
sir,
protons cannot. Protons, because it has to overcome the repulsive part of the proton, same charge. So you have to give a huge speed to the proton before it enters the nucleus.
Okay,
yes, sir.
I'll have to leave. I got another work.
Udayji, you are leaving, is it?
Yes, I want to leave.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, bye. Have a good.
Bye, sir. So, sir, uh, in beta plus decay, what happens that a proton is converted into a neutron and it releases an electron. But, sir, I did not understand why did it release that electron, because the proton is uh, lighter than the neutron. So, why did it emit that? So, where and how did it become a neutron? Because it needed more mass to.
So, yeah, this is what you call is the kind of weak force.
What's
So, so to explain this, basically proton plus electron becomes a neutron.
yes,
So, so now electron becomes neutron. So the nucleus emits in beta decay, a nucleus emits electron. So where from your question is where from the electron comes.
yes, sir.
So there is a concept of virtual electrons.
So and how did that? So like, sir, there is one more fundamental question.
This is
So
because of the no. Actually, I'll have to go to what is a weak force. There is a
yes,
weak force acting between them.
yes, sir.
It's because of that. But just for your answer just now, right now, all you have to know is that a proton is also a unstable thing, though it has got a very huge half-life. So many trillion years, one proton decays. So proton decays into neutron and an electron.
So
But
sir,
when the weak force, they act, the process sometimes gets much faster.
so
Yeah,
sir,
it's a difficult question. I'm not also very happy with my answer to you,
oh,
but maybe next time I'll take time to make you understand what is a weak force.
okay. So sir,
If you do some homework, a little bit about weak force, then next time we'll discuss this. It's a very good, nice question.
sir, one more question.
Hmm.
Uh, Sir, why is a proton heavier than a wait, sir, why is a neutron heavier than a proton? They are made of the same quarks, but in a different configuration. They are both of them are made up of two down and one up quark.
Yeah.
नहीं, both are not this.
Like I.
No, one the net charge is positive and one is net charge is zero. No? So they are not the same quarks.
Oh, yes. Wait.
They are not the same quarks. They are made of three quarks, but they are not the same quarks. So I want Aryan to ask some questions related to your environment. Environment is something which you see with your eyes around you, something.
Yes.
Not today, but maybe, there's a lot of physics to be learned by the things that you have around you.
Yes.
A lot of chemistry is to be learned. A lot of science is there around you.
Sir, I have question, sir.
Yes.
Sir, it's a possible in future house in a ocean because water is H2O, right? So in ocean means depth of it will possible or not?
No, sorry, पंकज जी नहीं सुनाई पड़ा आपका आवाज कट रहा था.
Sir,
Sir,
he's asking that are underwater houses possible?
So house inside water.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. In future it will be possible or no? Because I like fish. Fish are living in water
Uh-huh.
for lifetime. So if we made a house that will try to making I like fish oxygen to provide in a house, I like it means think that it will possible house in a water for living.
Well, we have submarines, right? That is exactly the house.
Yeah, that is
Submarine.
exactly. Yes, you have a submarine which is people are staying inside water. नहीं पर पंकज जी का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं हुआ. पंकज जी मछली खाना चाहते हैं.
I mean, I like fish. Yes, yes. Not खाना नहीं चाहते हैं सर.
Also, you want to stay like a fish.
Yes, yes. In आई लाइक हाउस
आपको
अगर हाउस को ऐसा बनाया जाए कि वो उसमें जो लोग हैं ऑटोमेटिक वो ऑक्सीजन वगैरह जिसमें मिलते रहे आई लाइक सर टोल्ड अस सब मेरी यस सर बट इन
पर पानी में उतना ऑक्सीजन नहीं है. पानी में ऑक्सीजन थोड़ा है पर उतना नहीं है. इसीलिए तो मछली को बार बार ऊपर आना पड़ता है. पर जो कितने मरीन एनिमल्स जो हैं जो कि एकदम पानी में ही सब समय रहते हैं, तो दे हैव वेरी एफिशिएंट intake of oxygen, but most of the fish they have to come up to get the extra oxygen which they need.
Sir.
Yes.
यस अक्षर
Sir, I want to say something.
Sure.
Sir, what is the full form of SE?
SE.
Yeah, yes, sir.
तो दिमाग में आ रहा है साउथ ईस्ट. Any other thing that you have in mind?
No, sir, I want to know in elements and elements molecules like.
Oh, SE is selenium.
So, sir, what is house made up of?
Houses, our houses are made up of concrete, which is cement and
No,
sand
sir.
and silicon.
No, sir, it is not made up of sand, cement, or bricks.
Then
It is made up of hydrogen, oxygen, uranium, and selenium.
अब आपका घर में ऑक्सीजन हाइड्रोजन से बना हुआ है
Sir, full form.
क्या?
House full form, sir.
Sir, he's stating that house means hydrogen, oxygen, and these
Oh, I
plus
see.
H2, hydrogen, O2, oxygen, like that.
Oh, I see. So full form of house is saying, like I see now. Oh, so you are expanding this HOUSE, is it?
Yes, sir. It was a joke only.
Okay.
We took seriously.
Ah,
We're trying to figure it out. That house built up uranium would be nice.
yeah.
All you need is somebody should come up and do the chain reaction there.
Yeah, actually, uranium, the natural uranium ore contains uranium 235 also, which emits. So it's a radioactive substance.
Sir,
So Amarnath ji,
Yes.
tomorrow I am going to give a small lecture to some Mithila Sanskritik Parishad on Ved and Vigyan.
Oh, very nice.
sir, where are you going to give?
In Kolkata only we have one Mithila Sanskritik Parishad.
Ask them to put it on the Google Meet, so like this one, so that anybody can join and listen to the lectures.
No,
People have to
they do not
digitize.
have they do not have these things. They are all quite old people. So we'll be there, and some more people will be there talking about it. Uh, and quite old people. This is a organization of this one, but the topic is very interesting in the sense I have been told there are many members who are belong to BJP and RSS.
Well, uh, doesn't matter which party they belong, as long as they talk about the
Yeah,
science.
fine.
There are good and bad people everywhere. So what can we
Right,
say?
right, right. No, no, they are good people. I met them earlier. Earlier also, once I went to hear about it, there is a gentleman in Darbhanga who wrote a nice book on environment.
Hmm.
Yeah, he had come to make a presentation, and they invited
No,
me
see,
also.
that is what I'm saying. That like we all would be interested. All these kids who could join that meeting, right? They can also benefit. So all it needs is that what time to what time is the meeting. Somebody can set up a Google Meet. Even Pankaj can do that, and there somebody has to do is even you can do it from there. You can join this Google link while you talk, so that we can listen to your lecture. You tell the detail of the meeting to Pankaj, and then he can set it up. Do you know the timing?
Let us see. Tomorrow I am going first. They have frequently these meetings. I will
Okay.
suggest them that why don't
Yeah.
you?
Yeah,
So
make it online a fixed time, so that people can join from all over the world. Now it is a digital society, not anymore. And that's what we are promoting, that hey, don't
yes,
do only thing in your village or place. Your voice can be heard from all over the world.
yeah,
So whatever.
I'll suggest them. I think I hope they accept it.
Yeah. So ask our fundamental question. Uh, I'm sure that will go from the science to philosophy. Uh, if the if the if creator is the source of all creation, then who is the source of creator? We haven't got the answer yet. What they say? Yeah. So, that is the fundamental question, has been in our mind for very only for from the beginning of the civilization. And interestingly, actually, do you know that Veda, there is a Nasadiya Sukt in the Veda for all kids? You guys should search Nasadiya Sukt. Uh, it is just like a Big Bang theory they are explaining, and yeah, that there is a tiny particle which gets desire, and from the desire it started expanding, and then that's how is the creation happened. But they don't mention that God was the one who did all this thing. In that sloka itself, they say that we don't know if even before this one there was a God or not. So they are already suspecting the uh, what you call that whether the God ever was or not. So just like we are thinking that, same question. So that's very interesting sukta for everybody to read, for all those who have scientific brain. Nasadiya Sukta. Go on the YouTube. There are so many videos on that. It's amazing that I would consider it like a Big Bang theory of Vedas.
तो वेद के बारे में बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम जो है, क्योंकि वेद को किसने लिखा, कुछ लोगों का मानना है कि भगवान ने लिखा, कुछ लोगों का मानना है कि वेद व्यास ने लिखा, कुछ लोगों का
नहीं
कहना
नहीं
है कि
नहीं
वेद
क्या है ना, I mean, you can say whatever Bhagwan ne likha, but who is going to believe that one? It is what they say is that Veda, they call it Apurushay, in the sense that all the Saptarishis, when they were meditating for a very long time, these ideas came into their mind, and they kind of put it in the slok form, and but ultimately it boils down to they were human being just like you and me, and they wrote it. It is their creation, nothing to do with external power or sources. I mean, this is what we want to teach to our kids, that scientific analysis. It is not possible that God will send a idea to some people, and then some people will say that, oh, I got it from God. uh, why you were the chosen one? What about all other rest of us? Why we are not getting any signal from God? Maybe 5,000 years back you got the signal. Similarly, Muhammad got signal, Jesus got signal, Buddha or whatever. Why we are not getting? So basically, it is all your creation. Muhammad's creation is Quran. Veda is creation of the Saptarishi, and you tell that Amarnath is challenging that. It is not Aparushe. You put my name there, and I'm ready to debate with them on this subject. I don't want to hear anymore from Sanatani. We degrade it ourselves. For example, in the Vedas, all the gods we have in the Vedas, basically we completely put them in the back seat. Now we have a very Pauranic gods. We are not worshipping anymore Indra, Bayu, Surj we do a little bit, but not the same way. All these Agni, all these were our gods in the Vedas. And now who we have? Rama, Gauri, Shankar, Sitaram, Kali, Durga, Radhesham. Look at it. This is this is all the Purans. I consider all the Purans are. I mean, they call it Smriti Granth. Means they accept that one, that Smriti Granths were written by rishis. But to me, they are nothing more than a novel. For example, I mean, you will you will be. We all do Durga Puja, right? With such a heavy. But if you look at the Markandeya Puran, do you really think that Devasu Sangram happened? And all the gods, they gave a little bit of power to Durga, and then Durga becomes so with full of all the weapons, just like uh, NATO power came to her, and then she was able to defeat all these Rakshasas. This is all. This is nothing but a novel, right? I mean, the whole idea about Puranic system is that there is always constant what you call fight or debate going on between good and bad, and to explain that, ordinary people, they have taken help from stories. So they created stories of all these Pauranic happen. Like for example, do you think that Lord Shiva was really living in the Mount? What was that called? Mount Kailas. If he was a human being, can anybody survive on the Mount Kailas? Similarly, you know that what you call Samudra Manthan. Manthan happened, and there was such a big snake, and all the devas were on one side, and all the rakshasas on the other side, and then that happened. Samudra was churned, ocean was churned, and then uh, the poison came, and Lord Shiva, they drank that poison. That's why his country is blue. And then, Lakshmi came from the churning of the ocean. And then Vishnu, the chosen one, took the position of Lakshmi. I mean, this is all, when you start analyzing from scientific point of view, you see they are nothing but the fictions, creation of stories. So, so basically, keep in mind that's why people are now gradually losing faith in all the religion, not only in Hindu religion but in Muslim, in Christianity, because these stories were told, and of course they had a symbolic purpose, but people started taking it literally. And then, for example, we all do agarbatti to Lord Vishnu, Shiva, Durga, all that, all those worship. But it's if you think from the not from a bhakt point of view, but from the scientific point of view, then you come to conclusion that aren't we wasting time doing all those pujas, because you know they are not going to listen to us. Durga is not going. There is no Durga. It's just imaginary Durga. And if you
So,
can give,
Amarnathji, Aryan has a question for you.
yeah,
Yes, Aryan, what is the question you have?
Sir, I had it for you.
For me?
Yes, sir.
Acha, you have, yeah, what is that question?
Uh, uh, sir, I think so. Amarnath sir should continue. I would tell the question afterward because I forgot my question.
Oh,
Others also raised hand. Yes, others. You have any question? Want to say something? Others.
Yes, sir. I have a question.
what is
yeah.
that?
Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete complete 10,000 runs. How many runs does he need?
It is arithmetic questions. If some kids should be able to answer this question.
But others, today every Saturday we live regarding science, right? Okay.
I think you should write it down the question, because people are not going to remember it, and then maybe this is a homework for all kids to answer his question. So, can you write down the question, or can you repeat your question so that people can go back and watch the video? Go slowly when you speak, so that all kids can listen to your question, and then they will try to figure out the answer. I think this is a perfect question for all kids to go and do little homework on mathematics. I used to enjoy these kind of questions in high school. What is the name for these kind of questions? There is a kind of category called this one. I forget that. Reasoning question? Is it reasoning or something like that?
Understanding,
Huh?
understanding, I think so.
Yeah.
So we take the average of the things that he do in one match and calculate it for 10,000 runs.
Yeah, it's very, very simple. So I think you guys should be able to handle this. Yeah. So basically, all I'm trying to say is that if you
Sir,
look at the civilization, we have come long way. And
Sir,
really, scientific revolution has happened only in last 300, 500 years, like what we call in Europe Renaissance. And we had talked about it. That was like Copernicus, Galileo, all these. That is when really Newton, and that is the period we started from that time, really started moving forward in the scientific one. And then once we have started moving, then all the before, what happened is that anything that was unknown, they could not answer the questions. They said that it is created by God. That is how they, all the pundits, priests, mullahs, they all hid behind it. Oh, this is creation of God. But as a science is growing, and young scientists like you guys are coming up with new ideas, you know we are we are answering those questions which remained unanswered. Now we are able to answer many of them, not all of them. We'll never be able to answer all the scientific natural laws which is governing this universe, but uh, gradually we are increasing our understanding of how things work. So that will keep going on. And so basically, for that reason, uh, we have a difficulty. We accept overall thing as a infinite, no problem. That it's mathematically that we all are part of it. Everything is part of it. So that's fine. Infinite is good. But there is no creator. So far, nobody has been able to prove it, that this hypothesis that there is creator and created, and that is the fundamental debate going on for last 5,000 years, till the dawn from the dawn of civilization. So let's see what they have to say about it, all the scholars there. I mean, people become very offensive. I tell you, I went to one of the UGC meeting where all the people were like talking about UGC. And I challenged this question. I said, I don't believe in Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, and Durga. Oh my God. They all literally, if I was in front of them, probably they would have been hitting me. So people get very offended. But I say that, look, I am not questioning your bhakti. You can do whatever you want to do. But um, if you talk about the civilization, the topic they had was last 5,000 years. I say that, yes, we have ground, but we have to answer questions to the people. And that if you don't answer the question, then that is when people leave the religion all over the world. It is happening. Christianity was the first one. A lot of people, when they didn't get the answer, they started leaving. Islam, people are leaving. Hindus are leaving. Hindus are, by nature, we really are half anyway. We don't believe in all these things. We do things
that,
because it has been tradition. That's why we are doing it.
sir,
But
I'm
sir,
leaving.
we have seen that, sir, as like individually doesn't matter we are believing God or no, but naturally we have seen that, sir, doesn't matter it's any parts of the world, any society, but due to this belief, I think this is as like industry, as like temple or Christian place or
No,
Muslim
no,
place,
you are
doesn't
right.
matter, sir. But doesn't matter how many years, 4,000 years, 5,000 years, doesn't matter. But this industry is growing, growing, growing
Sure.
always.
Yeah. Well,
Yes,
that's what I'm saying.
Due to
This
belief,
has,
due to
yeah,
belief.
Aryan, go ahead. Yeah, yeah. I mean, he wants to go actually. Yes, please.
yeah. Leave. Anybody who wants to leave, they can leave. Okay, because meeting time is already over. We are over the time. So basically, what it is, it has a commercial benefit. It has a social benefit, no doubt about it. And then also, it has also brought so many wars, so many destruction. Yeah, if you look at all the fights in the world, most of the fight happened because of the religion. Suppose, take for our own example, if we all were simply believing in Indianness and no Hindu, no Muslim, 1947 would not have happened. The partition of the country would not have happened, right? Think about it. Similarly, if you take all the wars in the world, like all the crusade, I mean, everything is basically all the Islamic wars. Uh, Religion has destroyed more people than any other region. So yes, you are right about it. I mean, it has a value as a club. It is a meeting place, very nice place. We go to temple, we meet all the people. Nice, have a nice food, nice dance, drama. So there are a lot of benefits, but that is not the question here. The fundamental question is uh, that uh, creator and creation, and that question has been hanging in balance for 5,000 years.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah.